Hello everyone. Once again welcome to a channel Concreter. And now in this series we are talking about the cracks in a concrete. And in this video we start with the first type. So as you all know that what is crack? A complete or incomplete separation of either concrete or a masonry. We're talking about crack, not only the in definition we are not only talking about the concrete crack, it's about the common crack. So the definition says a complete or incomplete separation of either concrete or a masonry into two or more parts produced by breaking or a fracturing. So when we are talking about the cracks, there are two different types in concrete that based on their occurring. First one comes to be the plastic concrete cracks, that the concrete in a plastic mode, it is neither hardened neither the fresh, it is in transition. Second one is hardened crack. So the cause of each type of crack depend upon many different factors. Once again, I am saying about the cause of cracking, which is depend on the many different factors. How we came to know next in the video, and they may affect the appearance only, or they may indicate a significant structural distress or a lack of durability. And crack may represent the total extent of the damage, or they may point to the problem of a greater magnitude. Talking about the cracks, when we see the cracks in a concrete, the people used to talk or they think that it's a issue of concrete. No, that's a myth. The fact is, the crack, as I explained before, it is a combination of lot of things. Like we have explained here 11 different points, the reason, the cause and the type of the crack. And in this video we're talking about the plastic shrinkage cracking of concrete. When I'm talking about the cause for the plastic shrinkage cracking in a concrete, I'm talking about the loss of water. I'm talking about the imbalance in a heat. Imbalance in a heat means the heat at the ambient temperature, that what the nature is having, the heat that what your concrete develops. And we have to understand the most important part, that the tensile strength of the concrete at the time of transition from the plastic concrete to hard concrete, and the tensile forces which will develop at the time of getting hardened inside the concrete. So it clearly says, whatever the thing is, it clearly says the plastic shrinkage cracks are the combination of your effort, the design, the material what we use, along with the nature, the property of the nature, like wind velocity, like the relative humidity, like the ambient temperature and the concrete temperature. You all get the data from the ACI 305 code about the graph and all, the rate of evaporation, that how to manage and all. But the thing we have to notice is the rate of loss of water. It should be balanced. The heat generation and the ambient temperature, the surface drying should be balanced, and it only possible with the strong observation, the strong supervision of a concrete technologist. Come to the cause for the plastic shrinkage cracks. We think that the cooling of concrete is reduce the shrinkage cracks. No, we think that using of retardants or using of water reducers or using of supplementary like GGBS and fly ash can reduce the plastic shrinkage cracks. No, the concrete technology itself is observation. The concrete technology is so supreme that I can compare it with the rocket science. It totally depends on trial and error along with the strong observation. So even if you are using silica fumes, if you are using GGBS, if you may use the fly ash, you can't control the plastic shrinkage crack until and unless you are not having a strong supervision. So here in this slide, for the cause of plastic shrinkage cracks, I have explained the points: the high cementitious, the high fineness, reduce water content like water cement ratio and all, air entertained, high concrete temperature, thin inner section. Okay, these all may be a cause because of heat. It's a property of concrete to produce the heat, but along with that it need a very 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 strong supervision of a concrete technologist. The question is, everything okay, but how to reduce the crack? See, when I am talking about the concrete, I always talk about the economical concrete. It includes its performance like pumping, finishing, setting, everything. All should be economic. It should include the only cost of concrete rather than repairing it, rather than making it makeup and all. So in the way of reducing the plastic shrinkage crack, first thing is we have to cover it if possible the area of concrete by using barriers and all, so that the wind, and we can control somewhat of humidity there, relative humidity, and somewhat of wind pressure also. And we can have a monitor that specific area whichever is covered. See, covering to a site is practically may be difficult. But the second point, what I am saying is, if it is hot, then prepare the subgrade, like sprinkle the water on the shuttering or below of the shuttering, or after the concrete also you may go for the sprinkling, so that sprinkling means a fog kind of spray, so that the temperature or the water loss from the subgrade should get balance. It should not be more over that it should lose the property of the concrete like strength and all. So it should be done under the supervision. So here ASTM C 1116 also explain about plastic shrinkage, how to control it by using synthetic fibers. You can use the synthetic fibers, or the second method which generally be used in precast, that is accelerated curing, means to make it cure fast by the method of steam curing, by the method of hot fast curing or the hot water curing, or like AAC blocks what we keep in autoclave, that kind. So make it fast to get set so that it should not get developed. Or else, if you can't do these all, you can at least do a sprinkling time by time with your experience, and keep a person for a supervising wherever we are getting that cracks, make it close and finish before the concrete gets set and hard, and cover the concrete, so that just cover by the hygiene cloth, just cover by some wet cloth, or just cover by the any plastic and all, so that, and sprinkle the water on that, so that the surface of the concrete should have cool and balancing evaporation, the temperature controlling on that. So here we all get to know about the plastic shrinkage crack in a 10 minutes of the video, and hope you like it. If you like it, then please subscribe and share. Also have a Telegram channel in the name of Sohini Concrete and Technologies Limited, there where we discuss about the issues, and we share about the issues, we get the solution and codes and all. We all go with the updates of the decade or today's or whatever it may related to only concrete technology. So I hope you all like it. Thank you once again. We will meet in a second part, and whatever I explained in theoretically advance of that, you will get the same on the Telegram channel also, and on the YouTube on my past videos. Thank you once again.